We have here the Scanmatik tool, one Adem V control unit, the power supply. I will select the flash file and begin flash. So it's nothing hidden, only the Scanmatik, the power supply, control unit, bench solution, and as you can see, the flash is starting. In this case, you don't have to move to the vehicle. You just need to ask your customer to send you the control unit, and then you can flash it for different purpose. The same bench cable, but without this adapter, this short adapter. This cable works directly with CAT Com adapter 3. You can use it directly instead of Scanmatik. You can also use the CAT communication adapter 3. Flash completed successfully.